Hello, I thought I'd give you guys a quick update tour of my place and show you kind of how crazy my life is right now. So right now I am in the middle of preparing for Christmas, and I'm doing a 90-day challenge with some friends from church where we make like fitness goals and goals to better ourselves for the next 90 days. And then on top of that, I am dealing with it getting cold and have to deal with that. And my microwave went up in flames, so I had to replace that. And so it's just been one crazy thing after another. And this is my outfit of the day. I got these new boots recently from some shoe store. They were about $70. I don't really think that they were the best deal, if I'm going to be quite honest. First day wearing them, they're scuffed. So there's that. I'm like, why didn't I just buy ones for like 20 bucks at Walmart? I don't know, because I want to be different. I thought they were cute. But, so I have that. And then I have my buckle skinny jeans and my paparazzi necklace. I have this black top. Well, I have this coat on right now, and it's blue and it's got red inside. I love this coat, but I didn't realize how much I was going to hate the red. Because it looks fine to me when it's zipped up. Like, I think it looks super cute. But when it's open, the red is just there. So it doesn't look good with this. It would look fine with other items, like some of my more casual things and things with more basic colors, primary colors, and not like the pretty, like, elegant stuff, like the blacks and neutrals and things like that, or even things with just really more feminine colors. This is my fancy top. It has this tail that goes super long. Some people thought this was a dress today, which is great. So yeah, I like the coat, I like the top, but not really loving the combination. Okay, so right now I'm dealing with this. It doesn't have water right now, but I'm gonna have to do the draining stuff again. And this is my new shower curtain that my friend just got me. So it's nice. My bathroom has not been cleaned for a while. I'm just gonna see what I can get done today. It's really, really messy. See, I did laundry last week. I washed and dried but didn't fold or put away. This is the microwave. This is a new heater I'm going to try out. This box is leaving. I won't go into what it is, but it's for a friend. So, no path. Walking on stuff again. Brought out my comforter because I got really cold last night. Don't have any heat going other than whatever is in this apartment. And it got down to the lower 30s, so it's pretty cold. And let's see, I was doing really good with keeping this chair empty, and I was doing decently at keeping the bed spread, but things got kind of crazy again. But this, yeah, I had it really tidy. Just was keeping my purse in it and the little bunny rabbit and pillow, but then I ended up using it to hold jackets and then my lunchbox, and then I threw that box on there. So it's so hard when you get to making a habit of keeping things nice, at least one area, and then things get out of hand again. And I was doing that for weeks. And then in this place, I have too many hats up here. Everything looks fine except for that. And it's definitely not seasonal. I have all my seasonal stuff at work. Let's see. Yep, there's the microwave that needs to go. I have not done dishes for a while. And I have trash piled up. And I've not put away my hang-up clothes for a while. And I have a lot of just random stuff thrown over there. I'm using the box screen as a shelf, apparently. So, yay. And then my car is just full of stuff. It is full of stuff that I'm supposed to give from one friend to another. It's full of, like, I don't even know, like, stuff from my weekend trip last weekend. But yeah, so I have been doing fitness, and it wasn't getting too out of hand like the first week, but the second week kind of fell apart for me when I was doing laundry. But upping my fitness has really made it hard to find time to fit other things in, which is really frustrating. And I continue to like cook big meals, and as you can see, the dishes got out of hand. So because this is such a busy season, I am thinking about cutting corners, like in some way, like with my meals, making them simpler. But that's kind of hard because of how much that may cost me money-wise. And so this is a hard season for that too. So it's just like hard to juggle it all, but this is ridiculous. And some people say, get rid of things. Yeah, it's not like that simple. Like, I know they're right, but also, like, I don't have time. I have things here that need to go and things here that need to move in, but it's just finding the time. And then on top of that, I have like the Christmas gifts that are taking up space. I'm going to have to like keep track of them though, because I'm going to hate it if I don't have them when Christmas comes. So I'm going to have to like keep track of them, put them in like their specific corner or something, because this is just, it's too much. So anyways, I'm hoping that when I get back on here, I will have completed the 36 minutes of exercise that I haven't gotten in, and the 10 pages of a self-help kind of book, self-development. So far I've read like one, because I read the Bible, and I do count that. But hoping to get that done, hoping to get some grocery shopping done, and get somewhere on this place. And I hope you guys all have a blessed day.